What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be installing some Lasfit all-weather floor mats in my 2026 Ram 1500 Bighorn. So pretty much, all cars for some reason, for the most part, come with these stock carpet floor mats. I don't understand. I feel like all vehicles should just come with all-weather floor mats. And when you do get it from the dealer, they want to charge you like $400 to $500. Lasfit and I, we work a lot together, so I'm very grateful for them. They wanted to send this product out so I could show you all how these look and how they fit. So as you already know, you can see this is much bigger than that carpet floor mat up front. It's going to fit and protect main piece of your carpet of your vehicle much better than these small ones do. And this is my work truck, so this is going to get muddy and dirty, and you really want to have an all-weather floor mat, and you don't want to pay $400 to $500 from the dealer to get their OEM ones when these are just as good. So these are $150 from their website. Lasfit does run some sales, so keep an eye for that. But you will get these three, so the two front and the rear, and this one is made particular for the rear cargo spots right here. So I'm not sure exactly what that might just be where the locking pins are. But that is one thing to note, is for the Ram, you do want to make sure you're getting the right version. So, y'all know how to install floor mats. So let's go ahead. You've seen the before, so let's check out once we've installed it. So check that out. As you see, Lasfit laser measures and scans the openings for your floor mats. So it goes all the way up here now. It covers all to out here to your trim. It locks into place great. It's got all the grips and the water channels. So this is much better for any vehicle, especially for me, since this will be my work vehicle. These rear ones, same thing. So you still have access to your storage, but it's locked in, looks great. My inverter there too, it fits perfectly. So no complaints at all. And the passenger side too works great. It's just a great finish. They cut it, perfect for your vehicle. I definitely recommend Lasfit. They're really affordable and they're just as good as any other brand on the market. So if you guys are looking for some all-weather floor mats, definitely check out the link in the description below. In my opinion, for a $60,000 truck, the fact that it comes with those little carpet floor mats is ridiculous. But definitely give Lasfit a check out. But these look great, and I definitely recommend them. So if you have any other questions about these, go ahead and drop a comment. Thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna try to start uploading more videos here in the future. So stay tuned and let me know anything you want to see. Appreciate y'all tuning in for this little video. Thank you.